Hi, Sonia here with Just Botanicals, and forgive me, I'm actually at work at Massage Now in Anchorage. I do reception, and they actually do carry my skincare products here. And I've been wanting to get on here because there's a gal that actually just got a whole kit. I have kits available on my website, and she just ordered an entire kit, which is super exciting because it's just really fun. But I wanted to kind of do a quick just description, or not so much a demonstration, but a description of how to give yourself a facial with my full range of products. I will be going live later this week actually giving myself a facial. I've done that before. There is a video in that should be in this page or on YouTube. If you look up just Botanicals on YouTube, there should be okay, don't quote me on that. I'll go live later this week. Okay, first step, begin. This is a gentle cleanser, no essential oils in it because I wanted it to be safe for the eyes. You can take off your eye makeup. Coconut oil works really good for that too. This is a bi-phase product, oil on top of water, so you want to shake it well, spritz it on a cotton round, and then use it and wipe off all your makeup or whatever dirt you've accumulated throughout the day. So this is your first step, right? You want to go circular motions around your face for a first step cleansing. Then, depending on what kit you have, I also have getting ahead of myself here. Okay, so then I know that this gal has a toner, so you want to take whatever your toner is, and that's the essential oils float on top of the water. Just shake it a few times, spritz it in a cotton ball, and then go over all the areas you just used the oil-based cleanser on. So it's going to do a couple things. It's going to remove all the last bit traces of oil and dirt, plus it's going to smell awesome, tighten your pores, and rebalance the pH of your skin. Then, if you have the cream cleanser, another product of mine, this you would actually need a hot rag or muslin cloth for, and you would, there we go, it smells very nice. You want to, with all my oil-based products like this, the creams and such, you don't want to stick your fingers in here. As long as your fingers don't go into this, it should stay safe and bug-free. You don't really need a preservative so much with fully oil-based products that is mostly butters and oils, but if you put your fingers in it, you're introducing bacteria, so then you just be putting that back on your face. So use a spatula or a spoon, pull a little bit out, and just a little bit, and massage it all around your face in circular motions. Do that for a bit, and that's going to pull all the last bit of oil and dirt off your face. Take a hot rag or a muslin cloth and really just, it feels so good. Remove the last bit of oil. Then go back and do your toner again, right? And take a cotton ball and do another layer with that, level with that. Then if you have the face polish, you would kind of do the same thing that you just did with the cream cleanser. Pull just a little bit out with a spoon or a spatula, massage it around your face, and then take it off with a hot rag or muslin cloth, and then go again with the toner, right? That's a full-on facial. You can get that same, a really nice effect just with the cleanser and the toner. If you want a full-on facial or need deep cleansing or a lot of makeup, you're going to want to do the cream cleanser and the polish as well. And you want to exfoliate a couple times a week, and so that polish is like an exfoliator. Okay, so now we just start all the cleansing. Then in the morning, you can use the day lotion, and that is a little bi-phase product in the 1 ounce bottle with the spritzer, and you want to shake that well, especially the first time you use it, because it does need to get a creamy texture, and you need to create the emulsification process by shaking it. You only need 1 to 3 spritzers. Start with 1, and then just massage that into your face. That is your morning, or it's either going to be your morning treatment or at night if you don't need anything heavy or don't want anything heavy. And some of this depends on skin type and the location where you live, the climate. So we kind of learn what works for us. Sometimes I'll use that at night, but usually at night what I do is I do a serum and my nourishing cream, which is freaking amazing. Both of these are designed for vibrant aging. So the essential oils and the plant oils and essential oils that I use in here are all designed for smoothing, like smoothing out fine lines, creating this kind of supple and vibrant, rejuvenating effect on the skin. And so I'll do 1 to 2 drops of the serum. Just massage that into the face, and then using a spatula, right? Cream all butters and oils. Pull just a tiny little bit of the luxury cream out, and then go around the face. In an ideal world, what you would do is you would do that serum when you first remove your makeup after work, cleanse and do serum, and then before bed, you would do your cream, just as far as the timing and the way your kind of skin is designed to rejuvenate itself in its normal cycle. So, okay, I think that covers it. Next week or later this week, I will actually demonstrate the whole facial in action. So, have a great night and a great week. Bye.